So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project just been completed. So what we did on this project was we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a close up and show you how that now all looks. So as you can see, once again, another beautiful finish to the brickwork as always. It's got to be decorated next, so customer's got his own painter and decorator decorating all of the front of this house. So I'd imagine they're going to be getting all this old loose flaky paint off, burning it all off, squaring it all up, and then obviously repainting it all. Then we're going to be looking at doing some fascia board and guttering work for the customer as well. So changing all of this fascia board, getting a nice new UPVC fascia and soffit, and some new guttering just to finish that off for them. And as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork. So another job on the Corbett estate finished to the highest standard as always. Customers are really happy with how everything's gone. Nice, smooth, straightforward job as always, no complications. And really happy with this finish. And just like I say, if you do need a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, doing lots of houses on the Corbett estate, many more booked in this year, just please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. And we will show you some finished articles once the customer's painter has painted all of this, and we'll get the scaffolding down and show you how it all looks once all the scaffolding's down.